Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Workday integrations using scheduled exports. Detailed guide step by step. To backup Workday integrations using scheduled exports, start by logging into your Workday account. Navigate to the Integrations Worklet on your Workday homepage. In the Integrations Worklet, locate the integration you wish to backup. Click on the integration to open its details. From the Integration Details page, select the Schedule tab. Here, find the option for Scheduled Exports. Click on Create New Schedule to set up a new export schedule. Enter a name for your scheduled export in the designated field. Choose the frequency for the export based on your needs. You can select options such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Next, specify the time for the scheduled export to run. Ensure the selected time aligns with your organization's downtime or off-peak hours. Select the format for your export file from the available options. Common formats include CSV, XML, or JSON, depending on your requirements. Once you've configured the basic settings, scroll down to the Output section. Here, you can designate where the exported file will be saved. Choose between saving it in a cloud storage location or sending to an external system. If you opt for cloud storage, select the appropriate account from the list. Add any necessary security settings for the export location. Next, specify the recipients who should receive notifications about the export. These can include team members or stakeholders who need access to the data. Once all settings are configured, review the scheduled export summary carefully. If everything looks correct, click Save to finalize the schedule. Your scheduled export is now set up and will run automatically based on the parameters you defined. To verify the scheduled export, navigate back to the Scheduled Exports section. Here you can view the status of your scheduled tasks. If adjustments are necessary, you can edit or delete the scheduled export from this section. It's also advisable to periodically check the export logs for any issues. This will ensure your backups are running smoothly as intended. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.